The Clarke CWL1000CF is a 40-inch wood lathe with copy function, which is suitable for both trade and DIY use in a workshop. This unit features a large 980mm capacity between centers and a 350mm turning capacity, making it ideal for turning everything from bowls to stair spindles. With a powerful 550-watt 230-volt motor, this lathe offers continuously variable spindle speeds of between 600 to 2,200 RPM, making it ideal for a large variety of projects. Supplied with a floor stand which brings the lathe to an ideal working height, this robust machine is also ideal for copying existing profiles. Working from either an original piece or a flat template, the CWL1000CF will follow the shape, allowing you to make several identical copies with ease. The headstock has a conventional 3/4-inch 16 TPI UNF thread to take a wide range of faceplates and chucks, which, along with a range of turning chisels, live and dead centers and more, are available from your local Clarke stockist. A turning faceplate is supplied with the lathe, as well as a spur drive for spindle turning. The large tool rest can be positioned anywhere along the lathe bed, permitting optimum positioning for the task at hand. Standing 1,415mm long and 1,180mm high, this lathe is completed with a durable and robust build to ensure excellent performance and reliability. Supplied with a copy follower assembly, tool rest, tailstock assembly, drive spur, tailstock spur, faceplate, eye shield, 3 cutters with different profiles, and a floor stand. This lathe will give you many years of service.